to the hill, Sakleen. And he does. Irfan Khan, it goes over him. That's the third six of Aziz and straight over long off in the same over, third time.
End of the over with this blasting shot. Sakleen, a new star is born. He is taking the bowlers to the cleaners. 190 in Bangladesh, get to 7 more required.
Right, final over, 7 runs needed. Salman Bhat, Mazaruddin Nomi either side. Gentlemen, who needs a super over?
I was going to ask you that. Man, speak up, man. Super over, or you just want to see 2 hits to the boundary?
The second one sounds good, Salman.
Ahmed Danial, 2 for 7 in his 3 overs. He's going to finish off. He has a chance for the youngsters to finish off. Danial for Pakistan Shaheens. Ripon Mondal Sakleen for Bangladesh. 7 runs. Just need some calm heads. Singles with 2.
Bangladesh require hit to get to the super over. And then, maybe if they don't lose a wicket, they might be the winners. Pakistan still in. They need that 1 wicket. So just 1 ball can do it for Pakistan. But Bangladesh would require at least 2 deliveries.
Looking at the field, only 2 fielders behind, squaring the leg side. Both are in the circle, so the line for Daniel got to be outside the yaw stump, not targeting the stumps. Right, 7 runs needed of 6 deliveries. Here comes Ahmed Daniel into his 4th over. Met with some fierce cover. Took a couple of runs and easy couple of runs. Good start for the over for Bangladesh.
5 of 5. Ripon Mondal on strike. The last wicket, but still the hope is there for Bangladesh.
Every reason to hope, man. It's just 5 of 5. These 2 have been majestic. They have brought the people back. They brought the hopes back. They got this whole dugout jumping again in excitement. And this is how it all came together. In the slot, asking for trouble, and Sakleen just being brilliant.
First semi-final went down to the wire, won on the super over Bangladesh. Pakistan shines in the second semi-final, won it by 5 runs, went down to the wire again, and yet again we need 5 of 5. Very good fielding after short extra cover. There was the chance for a second run. You got to give it for the commitment by, I think it's Saad Masood.
This is brilliant from both the batters, must say. Taking the single when it's offered and having a chat as well in the middle.
Both the batters have been very sensible. The key has been the communication. And the important thing is, what is the captain telling the bowler now? What is the next plan? Because remember, it's just a stroke away. Bangladesh can be the champions for the first time, and Pakistan will need to take a gamble. Call it yorker, a slow one, a bouncer, or whatever gives them the wicket.
Got to give it to Bangladesh for the fight back in the last 4 overs against all the odds. Have played well. They kept cool under pressure. Some lusty hitting by the 2 fast bowlers, and most of us in the com box as well as our viewers would have thought is a Pakistan shines going through, but Bangladesh batters have been like, nah, we will have a strong defense and we will not go down without a fight. 4 of 4. It's Sakleen at the striker's end. Nerves everywhere. Ahmed Danial could see the pressure in his eyes. He comes in. 4 of 4 again. Good joker. Running the first one hard. Ripon Mondal says just a single would do. Doing it in singles, Bangladesh.
Yeah, 3 of 3, why not? A single would do for them.
You have to say brilliantly played. It was great bowling in the block hole and quick, but very well negotiated. Are we slowly moving towards the super over? Maz, any quote for the super overs?
Yeah, let me process it first, Salman. It's too much to handle at the moment. For us, for the players in the middle, everyone in the stadium.
Let me get you some water.
What about you, Salman?